Hey everyone, welcome back to Spark 2 Fly. I'm Kartik and I'm so glad you're here with us today. First off, a huge thank you to everyone watching. Your support means everything. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 mistakes to avoid in your 20s to help you build a successful and fulfilling future. From managing your finances to building key skills, we've got practical tips and real-life examples to guide you. If you're finding this content helpful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community here on Spark 2 Fly. Don't forget to like this video and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get started on this journey to make the most of your 20s and beyond.
1. Ignoring financial education. Mistake. Many young adults overlook learning essential financial skills such as budgeting, saving, and investing, which can lead to poor money management habits and debt accumulation. Solution. Begin with simple financial literacy. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track expenses, categorize spending, and set monthly saving goals. Learning about compound interest can show how even small investments grow over time. Example. If someone starts investing just 1,000 rupees or $15 per month in their early 20s, with an average annual return of 8%, this could grow to a substantial amount by the time they reach 40 due to compound growth. By contrast, someone who waits until they're 30 to start investing will need to contribute much more to reach the same goal. 2. Not building practical skills. Mistake. Relying solely on a degree without gaining practical, in-demand skills can hinder career growth, as the job market increasingly values hands-on experience and skill diversity. Solution. Identify and develop skills that align with current job market trends. Skills like digital marketing, basic coding, or data analysis are highly valued. Allocate just 30 minutes a day to an online course on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare. Example. A young graduate who took a short online course in data visualization alongside their degree in business studies found more job opportunities and a higher starting salary. This skill gave them an edge over other candidates who only had theoretical knowledge. 3. Neglecting physical and mental health. Mistake. Young adults often prioritize work, social life, or studies over health, leading to poor habits that can negatively impact long-term well-being, productivity, and mental resilience. Solution. Make small but consistent health commitments. Aim for at least 15-20 minutes of exercise daily, whether it's a morning walk or a quick workout session. Integrate mindfulness activities like meditation or journaling to manage stress effectively. Example. A young professional who started practicing 10 minutes of meditation daily found that they could focus better at work, felt less overwhelmed, and were more productive. Small changes to diet, like choosing nutritious snacks over junk food, also improve their energy levels and overall mood. 4. Overlooking networking opportunities. Mistake. Networking is often associated with senior professionals, but failing to build connections early can mean missing out on career support, mentorship, and new opportunities. Solution. Engage with people in your field, attend industry events, even virtually, and actively participate on professional platforms like LinkedIn. Networking doesn't have to be intimidating. Start by reaching out to people with similar interests or asking for advice from senior colleagues. Example. A young engineer attended an online tech webinar and connected with several industry experts on LinkedIn afterward. When they later applied for a job at a leading tech firm, one of these connections provided a recommendation that helped secure an interview. 5. Delaying investments. Mistake. Many people delay investing because they believe they need significant funds to start or because they're intimidated by the market. However, the earlier you invest, the more you benefit from compound interest. Solution. Start small. If possible, consider systematic investment plans, SIPs, for long-term growth. In the US, options like 401ks or ETFs make investing manageable and can be automated monthly, so it's hands-off yet effective. Example. A college student who started investing a small monthly sum in an index fund saw their initial investment triple by the time they were in their late 20s. The key is consistency, not the amount. By putting away even 500 rupees or $10 a month, they built a financial cushion for their future. 6. Not setting personal goals. Mistake. Moving through life without clear goals can lead to a lack of direction. which often results in dissatisfaction and missed opportunities for personal growth. Solution: break down long-term ambitions into manageable steps and set specific, achievable goals for the short and medium term. Creating a vision board or journaling progress can help maintain motivation. Example: a student who set a goal to improve public speaking by attending one workshop every month saw significant progress. By the end of the year, they gained enough confidence to lead presentations at work, a skill that eventually helped them land a promotion. Conclusion: each of these tips encourages viewers to think proactively about their 20s, providing concrete steps and real-life examples to avoid mistakes and build a foundation for a successful, balanced life. Remind viewers to take small, consistent actions today that will set them up for success, and invite them to share their own experiences or mistakes they've avoided.
Hey, thanks a ton for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Spark2Fly for more amazing content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment on how this video made you feel and what topics you'd like to see next. And stay connected, follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. The links are right there in the description below. Until next time, take care and keep growing. With love and good luck to you all, yours well-wisher and brother Kartik.